So here we are in Kiplinger Preserve. Unfortunately, this is about all we're going to see today, because let me go ahead and I'm going to pan this. I'll show you. Because this is the trail going further back in Kiplinger is impassable unless you have wellies. If you have wellies, it's Saturday, and if you have wellies, please enjoy it. Otherwise, maybe stay home from here. Okay, well, sometimes you find a second path, and this is the result. It's this gorgeous little area back here in Kiplinger and Stuart, which is kind of almost untouched. You saw some spoonbills back here, and it got real close to us. And very few people probably venture back here, which is kind of cool. Anyway, this is worth the trip. It's off Canner in Stuart. It's called Kiplinger. Well, the link will be in the description below. Enjoy yourselves today. It actually turned out to be a really nice day for us. A little rainy, but worth the time.